Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Deng Yuxian is the father of Taiwanese folk music. Born in Taiyuan County's Lungtan Township to a prominent Hakka family, Deng brought Taiwanese music to new heights. Some of his well-known musical compositions include Wang Chun Feng, also known as Spring Breeze, and Siji Hong, or Four Seasons of Red.
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And you know what? This month we're going to talk and introduce famous Hakka people here in Taiwan. 其实这个月呢，我们想要请 Leo 老师多多介绍一些有名的客家人，可能呢他们对台湾的文化、音乐啦、艺术等等上面有贡献的这些人物，好不好？
好啊，没问题。那我先唱一首歌，你听听看。
OK。
乌鸦会，乌鸦会，秋风无吹落地。
这我马在，
我马在。
乌鸦会啊，雨夜花。
对。
啊，这个
作者是谁？
客家人哦。
对，他是客家人。
谁啊？
叫做天意贤。
天意贤哦，邓宇贤嘛。Yes, I've heard of this guy. He's like the father of Taiwanese folk songs, and I just found out from Leo he's actually Hakka. 哇，他竟然是客家人啊！一直都不知道这个事情。
你不知道事情可多着呢。
一定很多。
他的那个作品哦，总共有50多首，全部都是闽南语的歌曲。
That's right. He has more than 50 classic tunes in Taiwanese, and the one that you just heard us sing is called 雨夜花, which is flowers on a rainy night. 那除了雨夜花，它还有其他哦，望春风也是，对不对？
对啊。其实他最有名的就是新年梦忆这4首歌。
新年梦忆是什么
？4月望雨嘛。4
月望雨哦，这样听起来好像是另外一首歌。
对啊，但是它不是，它是4首歌。
但4月望雨其实是4首歌的单字取出来的一个词，就对了。
我们刚刚已经讲了2首，雨夜花嘛，
对，
跟望春风嘛。
对。
那另外2首是什么呢？
四季红。
对，四季红。
Four Seasons of Red, that's another one. And then 月我就不知道了。
月就是月夜愁。月夜愁，
月夜愁哦，月夜愁这个也听过，
听过哈。
所以是四季红、月夜愁、望春风、雨夜花，刚好4月望雨。
对啊。
Very
客家话我刚刚只有讲了几个，我们再讲一次，要不要？
好，补一下。
好，
刚刚没有提到的是，比如说望春风怎么说？
蒙春风。
Okay, that's spring breeze, and also 四季红 Four Seasons of Red.
西归风。
So there you go. His name is Deng Yuxian. He is Hakka, and he's also the father of Taiwanese folk songs. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
案子say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.